trainer? And if you don't, do you need one?
Yeah, what'd she say?
What did you say?
I'm just saying, look at her arms. Her arms make mine look like
Do you have a fitness trainer on the road with you?
We don't have a fitness trainer on the road with us.
Can you flex really quick? Oh my God, I feel like an ass.
Dear God, help
So
us.
bad. This is so bad.
Be honest with you, we don't have trainers on the road. We try. This schedule, this past tour has been insane, but this show is 2 hours of intense cardio, and it's keeping us kind of lean and mean. We get
Dude,
a lot
we
of
could use your fiance.
Yeah, she just trains me on the bus. True. We got a lot of cardio in, but we haven't been doing a lot of weight training.
Hey Nick, how does your fiance train you?
Well, truthfully, she puts me over her head and she squats me, so I
One
help
Nick.
her train.
2 Nicks.
Fiance, she will cut a bitch.
3 Nicks.
I tried it. All right, who's got a question? You in the blue dress.
I'm good.
Oh my God, Brian's doing a gangbang.
Dude, don't kill yourself, bro.
They almost fit.
Brian's on the mic.
Pre-show cardio.
The show has been
Hi, my name is Melanie, and this is really loud.
Hi, Melanie.
I need to calm down a little bit. So my question is, I've always wondered this of people who sing for a living. Do you ever get your own song stuck in your head? And if so, which one?
It's horrible. It's just, oh God. Especially when we're starting to record a record, they all unfortunately start getting in our heads.
Actually, there's been one since we started making this new album that didn't make the record that I literally sing at least once a day.
Sing it.
It's a song that Nick wrote, I think with Kev and Howie called Baby Girl. I can't every day, like, it's just
Do
in
one
my head.
verse. Do one verse.
In my
Do one verse.
It goes, baby girl, I wanna fly you around the world. I give you diamonds and pearls. If you were my baby girl, yeah, baby girl. Did you know that I'm a star? I got no limit on my card. Buy you Venus, buy you Mars. And she said, but the other part sucks.
Yeah, but so
Do you guys
ridiculous.
still remember if you want it to be good? That's kind of my second question, but it's not good.
That's like,
I played it for my boyfriend, and he's like, if you want it to be good, girl, get yourself a Nick Carter.
I didn't do that for you. That's Kevin.
Do you want to switch?
I was like underage at that time. I had no, it sounds like a mouse.
read a few best.
It was
Nick,
like,
you missed the joke. She said, if you want it to be good, girl, get yourself a
Nick.
Carter.
Nick Carter.
oh, get yourself a,
That's the unsung Backstreet Boys song.
thank you. I mean, let's go.
Who's got questions here? No one's, they all have their phones up. No one can speak. Everyone's like, yes, white dress sparkles.
Sparkly right here.
What's going on, Sparkles, McGee?
She would love, my friend would love to know if AJ is going to shave his beard.
Yeah, AJ.
Hey, Mazel Tov.
Yes, there's a couple reasons. Hey,
Actually,
he's a rabbi.
Rabbi now?
He's going to rabbi school.
Okay, yes I am. I'm only eating kosher now. No, I bet
Brian, by the
myself.
way, Brian just sold you out and said you're trying to be on Duck Dynasty.
Yes, exactly. No, I bet myself that I couldn't let it grow this whole summer tour, and the tour is almost over. We have one more show besides today. So I made it this far, and then Nick graciously asked me to be in his movie, which he's filming in January, and he wants me to keep the beard.
Yes, so it gives him reason to
Yes,
keep
so
it going.
now, okay, how many of you guys like the beard?
Come on, stop lying.
That's what the beard is.
How many of you want him to shave? How many of you guys
Like shave everything completely?
KJ,
14-year-old AJ?
Alex,
Yeah, 14.
have you asked Kathy like what she actually thinks of
What do you think?
I say shave the beard, go back to the old school, do the banana ice thing right
Your
there.
thin lines?
I want to see my name right across your chin. Just to be super normal. I have a question. What is the craziest thing that's happened on stage so far on the tour that you haven't talked about publicly? Like, I know every
What you
song's
just
like,
did.
but
down here. That was a crazy
Hopefully
thing.
this is pretty good. But what's anything crazy? Like somebody missed a cue?
Kevin ripped his pants last night.
I ripped
What?
last night in Irvine, California. First number, I ripped the ass out of my pants. And we were filming a show.
Did the audience see it?
Yeah, they took pictures.
Oh yeah.
And we were filming a show on the web.
What color was your underwear underneath?
Black. It's on the web somewhere. See, mine, I ripped it a couple weeks prior to that, and I ripped the crotch.
What are you doing? I'm sorry. Brian has no attention span. What are you doing? Checking your phone. I guess it's more important to be.
Dirty crotch.
Are you twatting on your Twitter right now?
Yes, I'm twatting.
Good.
He was twatting.
Why do you wear, I have a question. Why do you wear those black gloves with those blue outfits? What's going on?
Ask Nick.
I knew it was freaky.
I don't either.
By the way, he's the freakiest one. Just trust me. So what's with the gloves?
Listen, honestly, my gloves are okay. You gotta smell it, dude. Gloves. I don't know.
It's not my fault, okay?
Your gloves smell
They
like
smell like crap. No, it's horrible.
Actually, smells better than AJ's gloves.
You know when you wear like a Band-Aid for too long, you pull it off, that's what it's, I swear to God, that's what it smells like.
I know what happened. AJ was changing Ava's diapers with those gloves.
Hey,
Is that what happened?
they don't smell like poo.
Nick, the reason Nick is wearing the gloves is because he thinks they look cool. First of all, I never said they look cool.
Nick wanted to look like a hitman.
I don't wear
during the show.
Howie and I, we're not.
Brian just said it's because you're obsessed with the movie Hitman and you think you're in the movie Hitman.
No, I actually had the idea of doing it from the video game Hitman.
Right. Do you think you're in the Matrix, Nick? Because you're not. You love it. And you have screaming women who love everything about you.
And they don't love the gloves.
If I'm getting a pap smear, fine. Otherwise,
If the beard goes, the gloves go. Deal?
what other questions? This is your moment. All right, you with the phone and the camera. She wants to know, she met AJ at Disneyland, but she wants to know his favorite ride at Disneyland or California Adventure, its sister property. Are you an employee at Disneyland?
Okay, my favorite ride, they actually changed the name recently to Goofy's Flight something, but Mulholland Madness was the original name at California Adventure. That was the best ride ever. I used to love It's a Small World. I have not gone on there since my grandmother passed away. That was her favorite ride, and it gets me too choked up, so I won't ride it. But I don't know, it's going to be interesting now that I have a little one, see what her favorite ride is. Hopefully it's not the teacups, because I can't go in two directions at once. I'll throw up over my daughter, that's not good. So,
All right, Justin, you have somebody have a question?
I think I do. I got someone right here. What's your name, man? My name is Brent. And actually, sorry guys, I didn't have a question for you, but I had a question for someone in your audience, if you don't mind.
oh yeah, sure. What's up?
Sarah, will you marry me?
Congratulations,
She's so freaking out right now. Congrats, man.
Dreams come true at Backstreet Boys. She's like, what the heck? Exciting.
That's awesome, man. Congrats, you guys.
Thank you guys.
We're expecting you, the
So, Justin, do we have time for one last question? Justin, one last question?
I'm sorry. Set your course for adventure and rise on. I'm having too much fun right now. Hey, things just got odd.
All right, they're telling me to pick the last question. Wait, you have a tiara on. That's awesome. Is that your It's your weekend, girl. Go for it. Yes.
BSB Day Girl? Dude.
Wait, what's your question?
On TV.
Okay, I'll go there about when I went on a date with Nick. Are you ready? Because I'll say anything and everything.
Be careful where you're going with this.
I kiss and I tell.
We have issues already on this.
We have issues. We're trying to work it out. But he's very
this. What is wrong with you?
This question is for you, Kathy. Right in front of you guys. Right in front of you.
That is awesome. This is how Vegas does a BSB soundcheck party.
Do you have lipstick on?
Lipstick on, yes.
Are you guys ready for the show tonight?
No, I'm not going there. I think that's where we should leave it. I just want to say I remember going, and Kathy has an awesome house, so I'll tell you that.
I do have a Mac Daddy house. You kind of fucking screwed up. I don't want to say that. Just say you could have had this and this, Carter. All right, you guys are gonna have, I just saw the show 2 nights ago. It's ridiculous. I've seen these guys like 15 times. They're the real deal, no lip syncing, really awesome singing. Thank you so much for letting me goof around with you guys. Thanks, fans. Have a great time on the show.
Picture time. We'll see you guys in a second. Thank you guys.
Congratulations. Hey, Kathy, he told me on stage once. I told Kevin all the time.
That's nothing new. Hi, everybody.
Actually, Tony's me in the dressing room most of the day. In the bathroom.